Tapos matagal yung mga ilang months din yun eh. So at the height nung breakup namin ng first live-in partner ko, I was really down. I was so depressed. There was even a time nga na naabutan ako ni Kuya Jepoy na tumitira ako ng tsongke.
So nag-drugs din si Ben. Okay.
Not really for a time, but there was really a period na I was so depressed na naawa siguro sa akin yung si Kuya. Kaya he thought it would be best na yayain na lang ako to
Na
tag me
magtrabaho.
along. So at that time, ang pakilala sa mga katropa niya, si Alberto Esteban. He knows this, na ang press release ni Kuya sa akin nung was magkapatid kami. Literally, pagka may mga show, there were specific nights ako nagbibitbit ng boots niya, ng mga damit
So
niya.
alalay lang nagsimula.
So, yes. Bale, ang pakilala lang yun, was magkapatid kami. But ang dating ko nun was, ako yung personal alalay niya. So, if you were to think about it, parang siya yung star, ako yung fan, or ako yung alalay. So it reached the point na parang I wanted to be like my idol.
So eventually,
Nag-matcha
yun na nga,
dancer.
nag-matcha dancer ka na rin.
A year after, nung sabihin na natin nag-quit siya kasi medyo nagkakaedad na rin siya noon. So, before he left me behind, kasi at that time nakita niya na ginagaya-gaya ko rin siya, yung mga ganon.
Ben, maliban sa macho dancing, pumapayag ka rin ba noon na ilabas ka ng customers?
Oo, kasi kasama sa
Pumayag ka?
trabaho namin yun.
Oo. Ano to, dala ba ito ng pagkakaroon mo ng low self-esteem? Parang naging affirmation na ito na, uy, teka muna, may nagkakagusto sa akin, di ba? At
Unlike
willing
noon.
siya, oo.
At some point, and I'm not trying to be funny, yes, kasi at that point, i-disregard mo natin kay babae yun, kay bakla. The point was, even for just a few hours, I felt I was attractive. I felt I was good-looking. In sharp contrast nun, na tinatawag pa nila akong, yung, di ba, the names that they call me way back in high school. Parang, tama siya, ang dating sa akin, parang, uy, may tsura pala ako, kahit paano.
Okay. Ben, pardon me medyo naguguluhan kasi ako. Kasi hindi mo naman problema yung pera, no? Di ba, lalo na nung namaya pa yung mommy mo, well-provided naman kayo. Pero parang nasabi mo yata na masarap gastusin yung sarili mong pera na pinaghirapan.
Yes, I did.
Paano yun? Bakit? Bakit mo nasabi yun?
Kasi I was very responsible. Lalo nung high school ako, kasi everything was provided for. Nagbukod kasi ako noon, that was 10 years ago. So, I mean, gumagastos din ako. I mean, di ba, we had our production then, di ba, we had our own assets and all. But I was very irresponsible. At the time na I was earning, doon ko natutunan yung, I mean, I'm disregarding muna yung ano namin, yung parang...
Yung namana mo sa mama mo and your
yung assets
father.
na lang, yes. The point here is, parang doon ko natutunan yung, teka, kinita ko to, hindi ko to gagastusin na sa kung saan saan.